Welcome to Edulexis. Today is day 40, and we are unlocking the power of encapsulation in Python. Encapsulation is one of the pillars of object-oriented programming. Simply put, it's about bundling data and methods and hiding internal details. Think of a medicine capsule. Inside are the ingredients. You don't see, protected by the shell. You only interact with the shell. In Python, attributes are public by default. Anyone can access or modify them from outside the class. Let's write a simple student class. We define a name and a grade. Both are accessible immediately after creating the object. If everything is public, other parts of the program can accidentally change crucial data, like changing a grade to 101, which shouldn't happen. This is where private attributes come in. They protect the data from being changed directly from the outside. In Python, we indicate a private attribute by prefixing it with a double underscore, like __balance. Let's rewrite our class. We change grade to __grade. Now, if you try to access it directly, Python raises an error. So, how do we get the data if it's hidden? We need controlled methods to access or update it. This is where getters and setters come in. They act as that safe doorway to your private data. I'll show you how to write a method get_grade to return the value and set_grade to check for a valid input before updating. Encapsulation gives us control, security, and makes our code easier to debug and maintain as it grows. A common mistake is thinking double underscores make data 100% secure. It's more of a warning to other developers to keep out. To summarize, public is open access, private is restricted. Use encapsulation to protect your objects. Internal state. See you in the next lesson.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.